there is a resource, often invisible but absolutely indispensable, that accompanies humanity in everyday life, essential for the great challenges of the future. A future already imagined by Mario Bottaro in 1956, and his sons, Marco and Alberto Bottaro, based on research, innovation, and social responsibility. And it is thanks to our wire that these ideas may travel to more than 50 countries around the world. It all starts in Italy, in the innovative plants in Delebbio and Novate Milanese. 600,000 miles of wire are drawn here, resulting in 5 branded product lines. What distinguishes our wire from all the others? The supply chain, which starts with a careful selection of certified Italian and European wire rods. New generation robotic plants ensure controlled production in record time. The raw materials and finished product are constantly monitored by 4 in-house testing and control laboratories. Bottaro packaging is studied down to the tiniest detail to protect and transport the product in maximum safety. With our extensive global distribution network, we reach every part of the world, guaranteeing maximum reliability and safety. The logistics department monitors each shipment and updates customers in real time on the status of customs paperwork. The 15,000 square meters of photovoltaic panels guarantee zero-impact production. This is Bottaro Wire. Technology, research, and an uncompromising environmental commitment. We are ready for the challenges of the future. What about you? Bottaro, World Wire Maker.